All right, I got this 60-piece KF94 disposable masks, 3D protection. 3D it says. Look, 3D. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I can show them to you, but all opinions are going to be my own while we go over these. What you get in here, the giant 60 pack, and in each of the 60 packs you get a 10 pack of bags. It's got a resealable top on it, which is cool. You've got 6 bags inside here, each with 10 masks inside of them, and they are also resealable. And the mask looks like this, and it's all folded out. It's got a nice durable material on there. I mean, I'm not tearing this if I wanted to, that's for sure. According to the literature, these masks have 4 layers of protection and a filter efficiency of 95%. There are some nice elastic ear straps on this. I actually like this. I have a big head. I'm going to say it. I got a pretty big head. And these guys fold out. Let me put these on real quick. Look at that. Fits great. So, it's got spandex ear straps on here. Very elastic. I like it. I'm not going to rip on these because you just never know. It's got an aluminum nose piece so you can bend it to shape. Bend it to the shape of your nose if you wanted to. Nice soft aluminum. So that's pretty cool. Feel pretty comfortable breathing in there. I fly a lot and I still like to wear a mask on the airplane. So these are going to come in handy, you know, throw some extras in the luggage in case I need one. They'll always be there for me because I got 60 of them. And these are disposable, by the way, too. You know, with the amount of masks you actually get with this and these packs, this would be great for always making sure that you have extras on you wherever and whenever you need them. Throw some in your luggage, throw it in your school bag. This would be great for teachers. You know, throw some extras in the car, pack in the car, wherever you might need them. There's plenty of them, and they're disposable. If you're looking for a 60-pack of disposable masks, check out the KF94 disposable mask by Teqifu. Check them out.